Hi, this is Chris, 24K. Today we're excited to take a look at the G915 from Logitech G. This is a wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. So if you're looking for an RGB enabled keyboard that's also wireless, this is Lightspeed wireless, arguably the fastest wireless for any wireless keyboard. The base here is all metal. You have very nice touch buttons. The keys have a lot of travel and some good sound, but not crazy sound. So you could effectively use this in an apartment, no problem. Here's what it looks like from the top. You can see the travel for the keys is pretty good. Take a look at the back here. It has flip out right here for adjustment. And then how this works is this is the wireless adapter. You can plug it into micro USB, or you can take it out of this adapter and it's regular USB-A right there. And then you have the charging cable that comes with it. Lasts up to 30 hours. And it has LightSync software technology as well. Take a quick look at the back of the box here. Here you go. So Lightspeed, LightSync, RGB, and 30 hours of battery life. This is Chris Froshnut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.